Hey team, this is Becca Wunderlich, your Advanced Director, here with a challenge for you this Wednesday. Since we didn't have a Monday video, this is going to be Work It Wednesday video. You gotta get sassy. So I was talking with Cassie Elmore last night, and we were talking about the fantastic brownie pan challenge that Joanne Johnson, a director on our team, issued to everyone in our organization last November. And we remembered how much success everyone had. Joanne sold almost 40 brownie pans from her challenge, which prompted her to issue the challenge to the rest of the team. And when Cassie and I were talking last night, she reminded me that she sold over 60 brownie pans just by offering the brownie pan challenge. So I'm going to offer this to you today and challenge you to take advantage of this between now and the end of October for additional sales to rack up this month. And essentially all you're doing is offering the brownie pan at $20, which is how much it is, and offering a free mini serving spatula, the nylon version, which is $4, and then the free e-cookbook, which we have access to on Dropbox, and we can also post on the team page for you to edit and share. And so what your cost is ends up being nothing other than paying for shipping to get it to your house. So you're going to charge $20 for the brownie pan and the spatula and the cookbook. When you put at least 10 of those in on a party, that's $200, which this month gives you $55 in free host rewards. And at $4 a mini serving spatula, 10 of those cost $40. So you're still in the clear. No money out of pocket to you other than shipping. So Joanne's going to comment on this video with her picture image that you can use to do the challenge from Red Stamp. And if you have one that you've used before or you put together, go ahead and comment too so that others can use it. And let's see how many brownie pans we can sell by October 31st. Good luck, guys. Work it today.